from Simple Tasty Cooking. Today we're going to show you how to cook a delicious vegetable called stringless beans with potatoes and prawns. Now you can use the same recipe to do with runner beans as well. Now both of these vegetables are from the same green beans group, and all of the ingredients shown in this recipe can be obtained from your local supermarket. So let's get started now and show you the ingredients that you need to cook this recipe.
So for our ingredients, we have 200 grams of stringless beans that's been finely chopped and sliced. We have 1 medium potato which has been chopped and sliced into a French fries type size. We have 6 king prawns, 3 green chilies which has been sliced open, 1 medium onion which has been finely sliced, 1 clove of garlic which has been chopped up, 1 tomato which has been finely sliced, a 1/4 cup of coriander, and 3 tablespoons of rapeseed oil. For the spices, we have half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. First we add 3 tablespoons of rapeseed oil into a saute pan. We want to make sure our cooker is on a medium heat. Next we add the 1 clove of garlic into the pan. Now we add 1 medium onion that has been finely chopped into the pan. We want to give the onion and the garlic a good mix to get it covered in the oil. We have to leave it to cook until the onions are golden brown. Once the onions are golden brown like this, we can add the 3 green chilies to the pan. Next we add the 6 king prawns to the pan. We want to keep stirring these prawns until the prawns become a red colour. That's when you know that they've been cooked well. Here we can see that our prawns have now turned into a reddish pinkish colour. This is when we know that it's been cooked. Now we will add the 1 teaspoon of turmeric and the 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. We'll also add the half a teaspoon of cumin powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of water to the pan to prevent the spices from burning, and then give it a good mix. Once that has been mixed in well, we will add the finely chopped stringless beans and medium potato to the pan. Now we will need to mix everything together. Leave the cooker on a medium heat, cover it up, and then leave to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking, we will add a 1/4 cup of water to the pan and then give it a good mix. Now we should cover it up and then leave to cook for another 5 minutes. During these 5 minutes, we need to come and give it a good stir to prevent it from burning and to make sure everything is being cooked evenly. After 5 minutes of cooking, we can check to see if the potatoes and beans have become soft. Once we feel they have become soft, we can now add the tomatoes. So now we can add the chopped tomato to the pan. And then we want to give it all a mix. So now for our final ingredient, we want to add the 1/4 cup of coriander that we had to the mixture. So here is what our complete recipe looks like of stringless beans with prawns and potatoes.
Hi guys, I hope you've enjoyed the stringless beans recipe. Like I said before, you can use the same recipe with runner beans. So try out both and see which one you like better. Please leave your comments and questions in the section below. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time.